Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then tap on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Now tap on settings. Now swipe down and tap on navigation settings. Now tap on voice selection. And guys, as you can see that there are many languages, and now you can choose your perfect languages that you want. So I am selecting this one. And guys, you can see my language has been changed, and that's how you can change your language on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.